Jai Shri Mataji. I would like to share about birthday puja year 2000 in Delhi at Nirmal Dham. There is a special significance for this birthday puja. Number one, it was told that the Satya Yuga has started from the year 2000 onwards, and this puja in the month of March 2000 symbolizes a special significance.
We are now entering into the new era. I say now the Satyuga is established.
Then the second is there was the inauguration of Nirmal Dham during the same puja, because the puja itself was a inauguration of the Nirmal Dham place, and Shri Mataji had come, and there was a 3 days program. First day was a puja, second day was felicitation, and third day there were Sahaj marriages, about 21 numbers. And during felicitation, many VIPs and dignitaries were invited to join the celebration. The first day, there are one or two very special events to share with you during Puja day. Because this puja itself was the inauguration of Nirmal Dham, and when Shri Mataji came, as usual, nobody speaks, there are no lectures. The puja starts with Shri Mataji's speech. But that time, since it was the inauguration, and I felt, because I was a leader of the Delhi state, so I felt that Shri Mataji has come first time, so we should speak in welcoming her. So Shri Mataji looked at me, and probably Shri Mataji understood what is going on in my mind, and she asked, "Do you want to speak?" So I said yes. And before start of the puja, I spoke for 4 or 5 minutes welcoming Shri Mataji, and also informing all Sahajogis that this is our own new land where we are performing that birthday puja. Then the second is that time we had purchased 5 kilo of kumkum and kept behind the stage, because for puja you don't need 5 kilo kumkum, but everybody, the puja team felt that we should get some kumkum vibrated at the end of the puja to use in Delhi as well as for all other centers all over. But you don't need 5 kilo. For getting vibrated, 1 kg kumkum is enough. After that you can add much more kumkum and then increase the quantity and distribute. So we don't know why we purchased 5 kg, and we kept on stage during puja only 1 kg kumkum, and the rest was kept behind the screen, behind the stage. But when Shri Mataji came and the puja started, as you know, during first Ganesh puja we offer water on the lotus feet. But that time Shri Mataji on her own said that since this is the inauguration of this place, Nirmal Dham, instead of water, you put kumkum on my feet. You call all the children and they will put kumkum on my feet. So that will be Sri Ganesh Puja also. The kumkum will get vibrated, and also it will be the inauguration of the Nirmal Dham, our own land. So that is how we were surprised, because without knowing we had kept so much of kumkum ready, so that was useful last minute to be used, because so many children came on the stage and all that kumkum quantity was required at that time. So how things happen without our understanding, also Shri Mataji gets things done automatically. Then the next another surprise was, it was only the stage was constructed, and the rest pandal, there was nothing because it was the first year. So we had raised a pandal, asking a tent fellow who creates a temporary tent, a pandal. But we felt that time to have a waterproof pandal, which costs almost more than double. So some trustees felt why we are spending, because in the month of March in Delhi normally you don't have rain, but still without knowing much we ordered waterproof pandal and it was done. But I kept thinking in my mind that we are spending more unnecessarily, and the puja started. Puja was about to over, the arti was going on, and the rain started. It rained so heavily there, and but all the Sahjogis, they were all safe in the pandal. The stage was safe, everything was protected properly, and the rain after some time stopped. And that is how Shri Mataji showed us that you did this waterproofing because this rain was to come. And I normally till early morning there was no sign of any rain. But in the month of March also normally there is no rain in Delhi. But we unknowingly we did waterproof pandal, and how it came to our help. And Shri Mataji gets things done and helps us from all such happening. So we all thank Shri Mataji in our heart, because we unknowingly how she get things done from us. So thank you very much. So these are the small events which happened during the birthday puja, March 2000 in Nirmal Dham, which is the beginning of Satyuga, and our own land called Nirmal Dham. The name was given by Shri Mataji herself. Jai Shri Mata.